Well, get this. This is a bit of a strange sort of thing. We've just come across this house on the way to Neda waterfalls, and it's full of dummies. And by dummies, I'll show you what I mean. How's about that? How strange is that? Strange but nice in a funny sort of way. And a live cockerel. A grapevine. And some German here as well. So I'll take you a walk around, see what this is all about. Look at this. Old records on there. It's a beautiful little old house with its own cockerel. It's got a broken leg by the looks of it. It's a gorgeous little place. Very strange. Oh. Oh, odd. There is some. Looks like she's looking for business. Something here that's in German. Mobile phones, fags and ethos beer. Very strange. Quite cute in a roundabout way. Yeah. Oh well, something different around every corner. Well, we're high in the mountains, originally looking for a waterfall, the Neda waterfalls, but as yet 15 kilometers inland we've not yet to find it, but we have just found this beautiful memorial area with the old artillery gun there, and of course we've got the clouds in the backdrop, so very picturesque on a rainy Greece. Then again, you can expect that sort of weather for November. Very nice. And when it rains in Greece, it bloody rains. Lots of it. There we are, now we are in the clouds. Very eerie, but beautiful at the same time. Amazing. Just come across this beautiful wooded area with the pine trees. And it looks like a bit of a picnic area actually in the summer. And this is what it's like in the winter, unfortunately. But it's still beautiful. Really nice. And there's the Greek winter. Well, we've just come across this ancient site. Obviously there was some sort of settlement here. So there we go. Bit of a field. Be great to have a metal detector here. I'm sure the locals will have something to say about that. Anyway, it's still raining. Beautiful tree there. The rain sort of dropped off a bit, but we're high up in the mountains. So, but it's very, very, very nice, and I'm sure it's beautiful in the summer. There's some old stone pillars. There we are. Rock and roll. They've just built a brand new road, which is awesome. Beautiful tarmac road, very nicely done. No white lines as yet, and it looks like they've built a new bridge as well. The only thing is, it's a bit of a teaser, because we're not going to go over the new bridge because it's not quite finished. We're going to be going over the old one, and you can understand why they've decided to build a new one, because it looks a little bit dodgy. And the old one is that one just there. Eek. So hopefully we'll be alright. There's the new bridge. There's the old bridge. Wish us luck. If the camera stops working, you know we've gone straight over the edge. Or there's a hole in the bridge. Because there seems to be a decidedly massive puddle going over it.
Continue en route.
And even little Miss Satnav says continue en route. So we can't even see the road. So we'll go bit by bit and hope that there's no holes in this road, because it all looks a little bit dodgy. And it's a bloody long way up. But little Miss Satnav says continue on. So I'm just going to go steady, because I don't know if there's any holes in this bridge or not. It looks a bit dodgy. And there are no warning signs saying road closed, so one assumes it's still open. So far so good. Yes, I think we're okay. How beautiful is that? The middle of Greece. And here's another bit of dodgy road. Old bridge, new bridge together. Oh, that was a bit of a worrying moment. Because you never know, because we're not seeing a soul for 20 miles. Oh, free. Wow, people, look at this. How cool is that? Okay. How cool is that? Well, here we are in Patras. In the Peloponnese region of Greece.